Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a focused environment. Create a virtualenv, install Python 3, 10+, and add pip packages like NumPy and Pandas. Then choose the ML framework, PyTorch for flexibility or TensorFlow for production. Install CUDA if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Next, inspect a small dataset and standardize labels so training is deterministic. Once done, write a minimal data loader and a simple model class. This gets you past setup to the first runnable training loop in seconds. You now implement the core training loop: batching, forward pass, loss computation, backward pass, optimizer step, and an optional scheduler. Make sure to add a validation split and compute metrics each epoch so you know if the model learns. Save checkpoints regularly and resume from the last good state if interrupted. Once you have stable training, iterate hyperparameters, learning rate, batch size, number of layers, and add lightweight augmentations. These practical changes improve generalization without rewrites. You finish by exporting the trained model, use Torch script or saved model, and embedding it in a small fast API service for inference. Containerize with Docker, pin dependencies, and expose a secure predict endpoint with input validation and batching support. Monitor performance and memory, then optimize with quantization or simpler architectures if needed. If something breaks, check common issues: tensor shapes, D-type mismatches, CPU versus GPU device errors, and roll back to the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.